Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Sophia. Okay, you're highly welcome to my channel. So today is a quick recipe, quick pasta meal. We are going to be using this pasta and this other pasta. Okay guys, you're all highly welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into today's cooking. Okay guys, I already have my pot here. I've boiled some water already on my kettle. So I'm just going to be adding some water to the pot. Okay. I'm going to be using this pasta that I got from Aldi. Okay. So there's two types. I think they are Italian pasta. Yes, it's written there as Italian pasta. I'm going to be mixing both of them. So my water is there boiling already. Well, it's already boiled, so it's just simmering. So I'm going to be adding the pasta. And then the second pasta. Okay guys, so I'm just going to leave it to boil, like when it's almost cooked, and then I'm going to drain the water out and come back. Okay guys. Alright guys, so the pasta is almost cooked, so I've drained some of the water out. So I'm just going to be adding my ginger and garlic to it, and then I'm also going to be adding some frozen veg. But before I do that, I'm going to be adding my pasta sauce. Okay, this pasta sauce is from Iceland, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this to it. If I can get it open. Yeah, there you have it. I'm just going to rinse it out with a bit of water quickly. Okay, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm also going to be adding some mackerel in sunflower oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some garam masala, not too much, just a bit. Some seasoned oil, some chili pepper. Please, if you don't like chili pepper, don't add it. Okay, some paprika, and I'm going to be adding some salt. I haven't added salt, so I'm going to add some salt to it. I think I should put a little bit more. So I'm going to give it a stir. Right now I'm cooking it on a very low heat. So we are going to be having this pasta with some chicken from Iceland. You guys know I normally buy my chicken from Iceland. So now I'm going to be adding my mixed frozen vegetable, which is this over here. Straight from the freezer. So this is a quick pasta meal for dinner. That's what I'm making. This is our first time of trying this particular pasta, so hopefully it comes out nice. So I'm going to be adding the mackerel fish in sunflower oil. And then I'm going to be adding some non-seasoned cube. I'm going to give it some stir. Try to break the fish inside the pasta. Normally I'll break the fish in the tin first before I add it to the pasta, but I just decided to just add it like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil to it. Just a bit of cooking oil. So I give it a quick stir. The handle of this pot is a bit hot, but it's fine. Okay guys, so I'm just going to cover it to cook a little bit more, increase the heat a bit more, and then I'll come and show you guys how it looks like when it's done. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share the video, subscribe if you enjoy watching, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, the one that says all, when you do subscribe. Thank you guys. So when the food is cooked, I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so our food is ready. Pasta, quick pasta, it's ready guys, ready now, so you guys can see it's ready, looking yummy. Okay guys, so I'm going to dish it in a plate. I'm going to taste it as well. Okay, so I'm going to dish it in a plate and show you guys how it looks like on the plate. Okay guys. Okay guys, so this is my food on the plate. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please, if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Share the video as well guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.